Hi guys, we are study math chapter class 5, chapter 12, perimeter and area. This is the lecture number 9. We are solved the problem set 1 to 9 question. It is a remaining last 10 question. So you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and share to your friends. Okay, this is a 10 question. At the figure on a sheet graph paper. Measure the sides with the help of the line of the graph paper. Write the perimeter of each in the right box. आता बघा तुम्ही, ठीक आहे, केअरफुल लक्षात द्या. हा एक बॉक्स आहे, दिस इज बॉक्स. ओके, हा किती सेंटीमीटरचा आहे तर 1 सेंटीमीटरचा आहे. त्यामध्ये लाईन्स किती आहेत तर 10 लाईन्स आहेत, छोटे छोटे एकदम 10 लाईन्स आहेत, 10 लाईन आहेत. ओके ओके, ते 10 लाईन म्हणजे काय, एम एम असणार. काय, मिलीमीटर म्हणजे 10 मिलीमीटर, 10 मिलीमीटर इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर. 10 मिलीमीटर एम एम इक्वल टू 1 cm म्हणजे सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तर आपण काउंट करू. आता बघा, लेंथ पहिला काउंट करू. 1 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज अनदर बॉक्स. दिस इज 2 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज 3 and this is a 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 0.5, 0.5. Therefore length is 3.5, 3.5, and width is 1 2, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5. It is a 0.5, so width is 2.5. Correct. So we have used the formula of rectangle. This is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. This is the AB is 3.5, so DC is also 3.5. AD is 2.5, so BC is also 2.5. Okay, so it is a rectangle. You use the formula of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle ABCD equal to 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply breadth. Put the value 2 multiply 3.5 plus 2 multiply 2.5. Multiply this. Multiply this equation and this equation. 2 5 are 10, 2 5 are 10, 1 is carry, 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7, and decimal point is placed here. Okay, second, 2 5 are 10, 1 carry, 2 2 are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 1 5. This is a, okay, 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 12. Okay, 12.0 म्हणजेच काय 12. So our answer is perimeter of rectangle ABCD is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Okay. आता आपण कुठलं काढणार, EFGH. EFGH बघा, काउंट करा. EFGH perimeter of rectangle ABCD equal to 12 centimeter. काउंट करा. EFGH. Okay, that is length count करा पहला. 1, that is 2, that is this is 3 box, and this is 0. I think 8 line, cover 8 line, so it is a 0.8. Correct, 0.8. So 1 2 3 plus 0.8, 3.8. line is 3.8. ठीक है, length is 0.8. width काढायचा चला. This is 1 and this is a 4 line are covered, so 2.4. 2.4. Okay, so this is a also rectangle. Use formula perimeter of rectangle EFGH equal to 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply breadth. put the value 2 multiply 3.8 plus 2 multiply 1.3. Okay, calculate that. 2 8 are 16. Carry 1. 3 2 are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7.6. Correct. 7.6 plus 3 2 are 6 and 2 2 are 2. That is point. Place decimal point. 6 plus 6 12. So 1. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10.2. Okay, our answer is 10.2. 7.6 plus 2.6, that is equal to 10.2 centimeter. 10.2 centimeter. Third करो चला लवकर फटाफट. Perimeter of the rectangle of EFGA is equal to 10.2 centimeter. Okay, third करा. PQRS बघा, PQRS काउंट करा. 1, this is a 1, this is a 2 आणि this is 4 लाइन को मतलब 0.4. 0.4. Therefore, length is 0.4. Width calculate करो. This is the 1, this is the 2. This is also cover 4 lines. So, it is also 2.4. So, it is a square. It is a square. We can write the formula of square. Perimeter of square PQRS equal to 4 multiply side. So, side is 2.4. Answer is 4 for the 6. 4 for the 16. Correct. 4 for the 16. Carry 1. 4 to the 8 plus 9. 9.6. 9.6 is correct answer. Okay. So our perimeter is 9.6 centimeter. So perimeter of square PQRS equal to rectangle, not rectangle. It is a square. It is a not rectangle. This is a square. Perimeter of square ABCD, ABCD not ABCD, PQRS, perimeter of square PQRS equal to 9.6 centimeter. This is wrong. You write perimeter of square PQRS equal to 9.6 centimeter. Correct. Last. बघा आता this is the count करा. तुम्ही count करा बघा चला. This is a 1 centimeter. This is a 2 and this is a 3. Okay. This is a 1, this is a 2. So length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So our formula, this is a rectangle. So our formula is, formula क्या है? Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply breadth. This is a rectangle of STUV. Okay. So put the value 2 multiply 3 plus 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 3 is a 6. Correct. 2 multiply 3 6 plus 2 multiply 2 4. Our answer is 4 plus 6 plus 4 equal to 10 centimeter. Correct. 10 centimeter. So 6 plus 4 equal to 10 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle STUV equal to 10 centimeter. Is right? So हमारा आपलं काय झालं आता कंप्लीट 49 प्रॉब्लेम सेट 49 कंप्लीट झाला. ओके. तर आता आपण पुढचं एरियाचं, पुढल्या लेक्चरला आपण एरिया शिकू आणि प्रॉब्लेम सेट 15 सॉल्व्ह करू. ठीक आहे. ओके, बाय, गुड नाईट.